Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make picture double frame black in Microsoft Excel. So let it started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel sheets. This picture from the double frame black. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the picture option. Then choose picture. Then show the picture. This picture is from the double frame black. Now for click from the picture, then click for the forward menu option, then click for the picture style option. Now click for the double frame black option. That's okay. Then we show the make picture double frame black in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.